In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Runway ML. By the end, you'll be comfortably signed in and ready to explore your creative workspace. First, open your favorite web browser and head to runwayml.com. Take a second to confirm you're on the official site. Look for the secure padlock in the address bar and the URL spelled exactly as expected. This small check helps you avoid lookalike pages and keeps your account safe. On the home page, move your attention to the top right corner. You'll see a button labeled Log In or sometimes Sign In. Both lead to the same place. Click it to open the login screen. Here, you have a couple of options. If you originally created your account with an email and password, simply enter those details in the fields provided. Before you submit, make sure everything is typed correctly. Watch out for extra spaces and check that caps lock isn't on. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it fill in your credentials to avoid typos and keep things secure. If you signed up using a single sign-on method, choose Continue with Google or Continue with Apple. Selecting one of these will prompt you to pick or confirm the account you used during sign-up. It's important to use the same method you originally chose when creating your Runway account. Otherwise, you might accidentally create a separate profile or get stuck outside your existing projects. After you confirm your details, give the page a moment to process. You'll be redirected to your Runway dashboard. This is your creative command center. You'll see recent or saved projects, tools you can launch, and options to start something new. If it's your first time back in a while, take a quick scan of the interface to reorient yourself. The navigation typically includes sections for projects, assets, and settings, making it straightforward to jump into work or manage what you've already created. If everything looks good, you're all set. You're logged in and ready to start or manage your AI projects. As a quick tip, consider bookmarking the login page or the dashboard so you can return faster next time. And if you frequently switch devices, staying consistent with your sign-in method, either email and password or your chosen single sign-on, will help you avoid hiccups. That's it. Simple, secure, and streamlined. Go ahead and sign in, and I'll see you inside your Runway workspace.